Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your ear tips on your AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro have ear tips and they also come with replaceable ear tips in different sizes, so you can replace them if they don't fit you. If your AirPods keep falling out, that means that your tips may be too big, and if you do not have a tight seal, so the transparency and noise reduction doesn't work well, you should try putting on smaller ones. You just need to try it out yourself, which one works for you best. And to change them, take the AirPods out of your case. And the changing is pretty easy. You just need to pull on the tip. You may need to use some force. Don't be afraid, you shouldn't break them by doing that. And now the tips are off. You can now take these from the replacement kit. I believe you can also buy them online if you've lost them. So now I'm gonna replace them, put new ones like that until they click. Okay, now they have clicked. I can now put them in my ears and see if they fit well. If they do, I can then go to my iPhone and go to settings, and in settings go to AirPods. Then I can go to ear tip fit test, click that, then click on continue, then click play. And it will play a sound in my AirPods, and it will provide me with a result whether my fit is good or not. And if it's good, I can keep on wearing them, and if it's not, I should try putting on a bigger size. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.